Hey everybody, this is Dave from Growing the Home Garden. I'm out here on our 7-acre piece of land back in the woods to show you a little something about a native fruit that we found on the property. I had to trek way back here to actually find the right thing. And well, the way I found it is I saw a zebra swallowtail butterfly, which is a state butterfly here in Tennessee. And I'd seen one once before several years ago. I actually posted it on the blog, but it is attracted to the pawpaw tree, Asimina triloba, and it uses that as a host plant in its caterpillar stage. So when I saw that over on the property, I started thinking, well, I wonder if we've got something like that around here. So I trekked back way off into the woods, and I'm going to walk you over here through the branches, cut through the weeds, and I'm going to take you over to see one of the pawpaw trees. So you can see this one's got a little tiny fruit on there, big leaves up above. You can see something's been nibbling on that piece right there. Now what's cool about the pawpaw tree is that it is the largest, it produces the largest fruit in North America. And from what I've read about it, it is healthier than most other fruits, has a lot more vitamin C and other vitamins. They can grow anywhere from about 2 to 8 inches in size. And then it's a member of the custard apple family. You have to have 2 trees to pollinate, and I know there's this one, and I've located about 5 others on the property around here in the woods. I had to go exploring to find them, but they're supposed to taste somewhere between a mango, banana. I've also heard cantaloupe. I'm very curious about it. Would love to try it. The pollinators are not bees, but they're actually flies. So the flowers, when they're blooming, actually smell kind of like rotten flesh, is what I've read, and rotten meat or something like that. So between flies and nighttime beetles, you get pollination. But you got to have 2 of these plants of different varieties in order to get really good pollination. So I've never actually tried one of these. I'm really looking forward to it. See a lot of things about them online, and I'm really looking forward to propagating some of these from seed if I can just collect some of the seed from this tree. Unfortunately, I only see the one fruit here, and I know one of the other trees I found does have some fruit too, but I think it's only like one also. So I may not get to it this year. If I can get to it before the deer do, I definitely will. Here I'm in another spot in the woods where I've actually just found 2 more pawpaw trees. These ones are pretty tall. They're probably 20 foot or so, and I'm seeing a few fruit on them. You never know what you look. It's amazing how dense this woods is right now. As you can see right there, got a little fruit, one little pawpaw tree. Fortunately, with pawpaws, you know they're ripe when they fall off the tree and are on the ground. Down below you see a couple little seedling pawpaws where fruit has obviously fallen before and germinated. If I look around, I might be able to locate a seedling or 2. The gardener in me finds this very exciting. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Dave from Growing the Home Garden, and please subscribe and follow my blog at growingthehomegarden.com. Thanks, have a great day.